Okay, we need to graph this equation. Now, because it's in this form, I would find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So basically what we're going to do is, it's like we're going to make an xy chart and plug 0 in for x and 0 in for y. So the x-intercept, when I need to find the x-intercept, y equals 0. Okay, so we'll just plug that in. 2x plus 4 times 0 equals -8, and then we'll solve. 4 times 0 cancels, so I get 2x equals -8, divide by 2, so x will equal -4. So that's our first one. Okay, at the y-intercept, x equals 0. So we'll substitute that in. So 2 times 0 plus 4y equals -8. 2 times 0 cancels, so I get 4y equals -8. Divide by 4 on each side. -8 divided by 4 is -2. Make sure you simplify your answers completely. That was a common error on this test. So I have 0, -2 for one of my points. Oops. And then -4, 0. So, oops, I have to imagine that went through the right point. So there's a line. So just make sure if you're solving it this way that you're carefully plugging in points. And when it is in this standard form, I would solve this way by finding the x-intercept and the y-intercept. If you want to solve the slope-intercept way, just make sure you're careful when you're solving for y.